get stuff done. Day I go back to work tomorrow, which is Tuesday. I've really been making the effort to wake up with the sun, like, recently. So I've been waking up before sunrise and watching it, or just being outside during sunrise, especially during the work week. It has made the biggest difference on my energy and just mood, honestly. It's so helpful and I feel so much more productive. I don't know, pretty common science, but when you wake up and the first thing you do is be outside, see the sun, you're going to be in a better mood. I did a little bit of a grocery shop because I've got no food. Red broccoli. There's an ambient lady here and I don't want to hear me. Compare the others. These are the only ones I've got. Shower is done. Now we continue unpacking. I don't know if I mentioned, but I was away for the weekend, so I've got lots of random bits and bobs I need to unpack. Coffee and food I also need. But first, we've got to feed this guy. I'm going to prep. I think I'm going to try and do 2 loaves. So then I can cook one tomorrow morning and then one like Thursday or something, once it's all eaten. I've really been researching into like women's hormones, balancing everything, PCOS or PMOS, and like insulin resistance. So I went back to the gym today for the first time in like 4 months probably, and it was really good. I want to build a little bit more muscle because I don't know, I love Pilates. It feels amazing. I just do Pilates workouts at home and honestly they're hard work, but I want to aim to do 2 strength sessions a week just to, I don't know, build that muscle mass up, and then use Pilates alongside for like lean muscles and balance and more mindfulness. Obviously, muscle mass can help balance insulin and help with that insulin resistance, but also diet. I want to try and be a bit more mindful with what I'm eating, not completely cutting out everything, but like really focusing on high protein and high fat as opposed to fast carbs, because I find myself not eating enough, and then at night time I will just devour a lot of unhealthy food. So making sure my food is not like empty calories and it's a bit more nutritious and fulfilling for me. I like to meal prep because my weeks can get pretty big and busy, and I don't know, I sometimes stay at my boyfriend's and sometimes I'm home, so I always just have the food handy, already cooked, so then I'm not in the kitchen every single day. I'd rather spend 2 hours in the kitchen one day than an hour every day. It just makes sense to me. So we're gonna have quiche and salad for lunches, and then lean meat, veggie, salt, bit of cottage cheese for dinner. Quiche is all done. It's just a crustless quiche with spinach, cottage cheese, bacon, eggs, salt and pepper. Yummy. I have done all my meal prep and I've started the sourdough now. So I'm on the stretch and folds. So every half an hour I'll go back and do a few stretch and folds, and then it should be good. Hello, puppy. I know I'm a cancer nurse, but I'm a strong believer in the healing benefits of the sun as opposed to the dangers. So you will never catch me not doing this. We have 2 sourdough in bulk fermentation at the moment. Not much is happening. That one's doing well. Room is all clean now. I am going to go for a quick little walk. I've just been honestly relaxing for a few hours. I thought I was going to have a nap, but I decided against it. I decided just put a few things away slowly, get everything done, because I think sometimes when I'm like, I've got so much to do, it just exhausts me. So I just did a few things today. I'll slowly do the rest of my to-do list throughout the week, and I can just enjoy a relaxing afternoon before a work week.